In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Synthesia. By the end, you'll know how to switch your video's narration to a different language and pick the right accent so it sounds natural for your audience. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Synthesia. This is the quickest way to get to the platform if you don't have it bookmarked. On the results page, look for the official website to make sure you're heading to the right place and avoid confusing lookalike links or ads that take you elsewhere. Once you see the correct result, click through to the Synthesia homepage. You should land on a clean, professional site with clear options to get started. From here, you're just a couple of clicks away from the editor. Next, click Login. Use your usual sign-in method to access your account. If you're part of a team, make sure you're logging into the right workspace so you can access your projects. After logging in, open your video in the Synthesia editor. If you already have a project you want to update, select it from your dashboard. The editor is where you'll control the script, the avatar, and the voice settings for your video. Now, enter your script in the language you want directly into the script box. If you've prepared a translation, paste it here. Otherwise, type it in. Pay attention to punctuation and accents. They guide the voice to read more naturally. Keep sentences clear and concise, and check names, numbers, and technical terms for accuracy in the target language. Next, click the voice selection bar, or use the avatar icon next to the script to open the voice options. This is where you connect your written script to a voice that understands and speaks your chosen language. If you've been using a default voice, this is the moment to switch to one that matches your new script language. From here, browse the library of languages. Synthesia supports over 140, and you can refine your choice by accent, like Spanish from Spain or Spanish from Mexico, so your narration matches regional preferences. Pick a voice that complements your content's tone, whether you want something neutral, energetic, or formal. If you're unsure which accent to choose, think about where your audience is located and select accordingly. After choosing, give your script a quick read-through to confirm spellings and characters are correct in that language, so the pronunciation comes out well. That's it. You've searched for Synthesia, logged in, opened your project, added your script in the target language, and selected the best matching voice and accent. You're now set up to deliver clear, localized narration with confidence.